If they want to arrest me, I will go to them. I'm on for that, actually. Even if you kill me now, it does not scare me a bit. Kasi naligaya ko na lang magpahinga na. Hindi ako yumaman. Wala akong nakuha. Pobre pa rin ako. Marami akong ginawa na hindi nagustuhan ng iba. But I did it for my country.